Hey guys, welcome to Red 50. Right behind me is a 2024 Mustang GT California Edition, and we're going to be taking a first look at the GT California Special. So basically, this still has the Gen 4 Coyote motor from the 650 Mustang. It's going to be making 480 horsepower if you don't get the active exhaust. If you do get the active exhaust, you get 486 horsepower. So similar numbers or same numbers as the Mustang GT. But what I was really excited about seeing this car, it was in person, just to see how different it would be. I had some negative thoughts when it was first revealed. I could not get it for the blue, and I was like, maybe it will change in person, and I'm still kind of split. So this is what it looks like. You can kind of see all the blue highlights on the wheels and the stripes and everything. Now the California Special has always been known for basically an appearance pack, and this one is no different. This one, as you can see, you've got some stripes at the bottom, and you've got these wheels that kind of look like the Performance Pack 1 wheels, but you've got this blue theme going on. You see it in the badge, you see it on the wheels, and I think the wheels to me just look absolutely hideous. Like, I love the design, but the blue just, I don't know, it for some reason it just does not go well with the overall theme of the car. It's always been one of those nice sophisticated packages to get on your Mustang GT. It adds some, appearance mod without going aftermarket, and they tend to hold their value pretty well too. But this one, I don't know. Like, you see in the grill, like the blue nostrils just does not go with the Mustang vibe, so to speak. It just looks very aftermarket-y. You can see it up close, and I don't know. Look at that. I like the GT California in blue. I don't mind that, but the blue just looks very RICER-ish. I guess that's how I would describe it. Like, if I saw this car and I did not know it was officially from Ford factory, the GT California Special, I would probably think that this is basically someone got a regular Mustang GT and they decided to kind of go to their nearest AutoZone and got some blue paint, and they did it. I think, like I said, the badging, the stripes, I don't mind it that much because it has a nice cool touch to it. But the wheels, just look at it from a distance right now, you can see it looks very tacky. Same goes for the front grille. Like, it looks very tacky. I don't know what Ford was thinking. I don't know what the demographic is, because California Special has always been an official appearance pack for the Mustangs, but it's always had a mature look without looking tacky. But this one looks very tacky. Again, I don't mind. You can see the GT badge is also blue. I don't mind that. This has a really nice touch to it. But once you kind of start painting the wheels blue and the grill blue, that's where it kind of, I feel like, gets a little funky and it just looks very RICER-ish. So I was really hoping my opinion would change on this Mustang California Special, in person at least, but that doesn't seem to indicate. I think maybe there's a way you can get it without having blue wheels. I think that would really change it up. If this one did not have blue wheels, I could probably get with it, because the nostrils or the grill, you can still paint it black if you wanted to, but wheels, not so much. Although I have to say the interior on it, I do like it. It's still got the blue touch. It's very subtle. You can see it right there in the door panel. Is you got some blue stitching right there. You also got the seats that are, they're still blue, but they're kind of black and blue. It's not tacky. It has a really nice touch to it. All the stitching is blue. So that, I think I'm more of a, I like blue as long as it's like a subtle touch. So throughout the interior, you'll notice you've got this same blue from the exterior. You can see it on the steering wheel. It's right here, even on the stitching. You've got this blue. It looks actually very nice to be able to have a different color than black. It's like throughout the interior, look at that. This stitching looks good. I do like the Mustang over there in a nice blue as well. I feel like for the interior, I actually dig it how the California Special interior looks, because it has really nice touch with the blue, but exterior is just, I can't get over it. I don't know what Ford was thinking. Clearly, they probably did some market research that I haven't done, so they know their demographic, they know what they're targeting. I don't know. I feel like they could have just left it with this interior, really nice subtle touch of the blue, and the exterior should have been what it's always been. It's always had like a hood scoop or like a side scoop. This California Special Mustang literally does not have any of those. All it has is some stripes, some graphics, some touches in the interior, and just like some wheel paint, and that's I feel like California has always gotten like unique wheels, but part of it has always been also getting some side scoops, some striping, even some of the hood scoops. Front splitter usually looks different. This one has none of it. I feel like it just looks like a regular Mustang with some stripes. And I don't know. That to me, I feel like it's a big opportunity missed for this California Special Mustang. But yeah, I was really hoping seeing this car in person would kind of change my mind how the Mustang California Special really is. But honestly, looking at it in person, I'm just not torn. Like if they can give me that interior in a regular Mustang GT, I would be sold. But having the exterior that's designed like it was, really done by like a high school kid, I'm just not a huge fan of it. Maybe there is a market for it, but I personally am not really digging it. Comment below. I'm really curious. Like, am I the only one who really does not like how California Special looks like, or there are actually people who are kind of in the agreement and you wouldn't mind the interior, but the exterior is like where they really need to add a little bit more flavor and kind of take out some of the tacky blue. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Subscribe to Red 50 for more videos.